Good afternoon, second grade. Look at this. Listen. It's the sound of the Kubota. Did you ever think you would miss that? All right, second grade, it's time to see how we did. Lesson 109 in Simple Solutions. Number 1 is 346 plus 285. Well, for that, let's go to the board. Okay, to solve this problem, you can stack these two numbers up on top of each other, just like we do. And remember to stay in your lane. You don't want to mess that up. 6 plus 5 equals 11, then carry the 1. 8 plus 4 equals 12, plus the 1 that's up here, don't forget that, is 13. Carry the 1. And then you've got 3 plus 2 equals 5, plus, don't forget this 1. So 5 plus 1 is 6, 631. The other way you could have done that is looked at the place value. And so you've got 300 right here. Do you see where I am? 300 plus 200 equals 500. 40 plus 80 equals 120. And 6 plus 5 equals 11. And then added those three numbers together. So either one of those gave you the right answer, 631. All right, number 2, draw two rectangles that are not congruent. So that's a fancy new thing we're doing. So you're drawing two rectangles that are not the same size and not the same shape. Number 3, round 55 to the nearest 10. 55 has a 5 in the ones place, and we talked about this very briefly, so I don't know if any of you remembered, but if it's anything 5 and up, you round up. So 55 rounds to 60. Number 4, how much time has passed? Look at these two clocks. It's 7:20, and then it's 11:20, so 4 hours have passed. Number 5, 8 times 2 equals 16. Number 6, how many quarts are in a gallon? 4. Number 7, what fraction of this rectangle is shaded? 3 out of 5, or 3/5. Number 8, the answer to a multiplication problem is the product. Number 9, 470 minus 138. Well, we're going to have to go to the board again. All right, this should be not difficult at all because we've been practicing this all week long. But remember, we have to ask our first question. What? Right here. What's our question right here? Do we need to regroup? So do we? Yes, we do. How many of you knew that? All right, so regrouping comes in pairs like socks. If you do one, put on one, you have to put on the other. So this 0 is going to turn into a 10. This 7 is going to turn into a 6 because we're taking one away. 10 minus 8 equals 2. 6 minus 3 equals 3. And now we're in the hundreds place. Do we need to regroup? Nope, we sure don't. 4 minus 1 is 3. So the answer is 332. Look, friends, there's a Mrs. Kleckner sighting. Isn't it so exciting to see them? Number 10, which heart is divided into 2 equal parts? And then draw it. Well, this one here is divided into 2 equal parts. Remember, if it's 2 equal parts, they would be mirror images of each other. This one, if you would cut out a heart and fold it along that line, it would not be a mirror image. Number 11, 893 is something than 887. 893 is greater than 887. Number 12, 1 times 10 equals 10. Number 13, find the mode of this set of numbers. The mode is 14. Remember, mode, most, the one that appears the most. Number 14, which is greater, 2 quarters or 6 dimes? Well, you'll have to think about it for a second. 2 quarters equal 50 cents. But 6 dimes equals 60 cents. So 6 dimes would be greater. And number 15, write the length of the picture of the pencil in inches. 3 inches. All right, great job.